I purchased Nepenthes peltata this time. Let's take a look at it now. I can't stop looking at Nepenthes peltata. The red pitcher is very nice. I love the pattern of the inside of the pitcher. The hairy part is also very attractive. I can't wait to see how many pitchers it will have. I'm looking forward to seeing them grow. First of all, cut the dead pitchers with scissors. The scissors are disinfected by roasting them over a fire before use. Now they are clean. Now, let's take them out of the pots. Remove the old soil so as not to damage the roots. The potting soil is Kanuma soil, so it is very easy to replant. What kind of soil do you use for Nepenthes? Please let me know in the comments. Now it is beautiful. The pots I use are slit pots. The bottom of the pot is filled with Kanuma soil and Akadama soil up to this part. The new soil to be used is coconut husk chips. The coconut husk chips have been lye, so they can be used as they are. A mixture of Kanuma soil and coconut husk chips at a ratio of 73. The contents of the flower pot looks like this. Then, Kanuma soil is added to the top. Water from the top until the water from the bottom becomes clear. Then the Nepenthes are planted. Why put coconut husk chips inside? Reasons for adding coconut husk chips. The coconut husk chips swell when they absorb water. They swell when they absorb water and shrink when they dry out. This expansion and contraction movement creates movement in the soil and may facilitate airflow, so it becomes easier for plants to create an environment in the soil without having to go to the trouble of putting down a large number of roots. So it is compatible with Nepenthes, which is said to prefer oxygen and has poor roots that are vulnerable to drought. Place coconut husk chips around the Nepenthes. The coconut husk chips will prevent the Kanuma soil from flowing out when water is applied. Finally, water the top and you are done. I will make a video of the growth of Nepenthes peltata. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications. I hope it grows well. What Nepenthes are you growing? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.